wheels keep turning round and round. Neon glow on the dusty ground. Jackpot dreams, but the coins run out. Hey. Arcade caravan rolling slow. Lights flash bright, but where's the show? One step forward, two back we go. Hey. Palm trees sway in the pixel breeze. Jukebox humming with broken keys. Chasing shadows through the marquee freeze. Hey. Does it end where it began? Will it stop this caravan? Arcade caravan rolling slow. Lights flash bright, but where's the show? One step forward, two back we go. Yeah. Echoes call from the pinball haze. Quarter dropped, it's a fleeting phase. Spin the wheel and we're lost in the maze. Pixel skies and neon moon. Chasing dreams in flashing tunes. Quarter drops a lifeline soon. Arcade rally run so free. 8-bit jungle calling me. Joystick steering destiny. Electric roads where shadows play. Colors dance and lights obey. Lose yourself in night's ballet. Every move a memory. Every turn eternity. Arcade rally run so free. 8 Some they call my name. Past and future feel the same. I see a shadow far and wide, a flicker on the ocean tide. The gate it stands, the gate it calls. Gate from distance, open slow. Let the winds of time all blow. Gate from distance, let me through. Calling me, calling you. A whisper rides the desert sand, carrying dreams I understand. The gate is there, the gate is near. One step closer, hear it hum. The rhythm beats, the journey's drum. Get from distance, open slow. Let the winds of time all blow. Get from distance, let me through. Calling me, calling you. Rust and vines, they intertwine. Secrets lost to space and time. But the gate it knows, it never dies. Oh, oh. Morning sun, it climbs so high. Golden beams cut through the sky. People gather, voices hum. A melody of where we're from. Gate morning bazaar, where the rhythm flows. Colors shine like the sunrise glows. retreat to the sun's cocoon. Locked in a room, no windows, no light. Chains on my feet, holding me tight. But my mind, it soars like a bird in flight. Freedom whispers in the dead of night. Gates of liberation calling me. Key to the lock is harmony. Step through the door, let the rhythm be. Gates of liberation setting me free. Whoa. Rain falling hard on the desert sand. Roots breaking through where none could stand. Hear the drum beat echoing across the land. Guiding the lost to the promised land. Gates of liberation calling me. Key to the lock is harmony. Step through the door, let the rhythm be. Gates of liberation setting me free. Oh, one step forward, two steps behind. Shadows chase, but I won't rewind. The bassline's pulse keeps me aligned. In the gates of love, the truth I find. Gates of liberation calling me. Key to the lock is harmony. Step through the door, let the rhythm be. Gates of liberation setting me free. Whoa. twist we learn. Eyes on the prize, yeah, the goal is near. Gotta push past the doubt, gotta fight the fear. One step, one chance. This ain't no circumstance. It's the rhythm of our stance. Great anthem, I'm singing it loud. Rise up, make your parents proud. Great anthem, it's the climb we choose. Win or lose, we refuse to snooze. Chalk dust flying, air so thick. Blackboard wisdom, every line we pick. Teachers humming like a dub plate mix. Building futures brick by brick. Sunrise creeping, creeping slow. Concrete feels cold. No money, man, no place to go. Just stories untold. Babylon fall. Hear the freedom call. Green vibration. Feel it in your soul. Green vibration. Let the good times roll. Politician chatting lies behind tinted glass. See the sadness in my brother's eyes. A moment won't last. Babylon fall. Hear the freedom call. Green the sun kisses gold. I plant my dreams in the soil so bold. Roots run deep where the stories unfold. A rhythm of life that never gets old. High grade, it lifts me higher. Burning slow like a sacred fire. High grade, feel the vibration. One love, one heart, pure elevation. Clouds of wisdom rise in the air. Secrets whispered in the warm night's air. The drum speaks truth, it's beyond compare. Freedom's a sound we all can share. High grade, it lifts me higher. Burning slow like a sacred fire. High grade, feel the vibration. One love, one heart, pure elevation. Feel the bass line walking through your chest. Echoes linger, let the dub do the rest. Stars above dance to the beat's request. Roots reggae healing, we are blessed. High grade, it lifts me higher. Burning slow like a sacred fire. High grade, feel the vibration. One love, one heart, pure elevation. Under the moon where the night feels slow. Pimento trees where the cool winds blow. The ground hums low like it knows the tune. Whispers of stories lost in the dune. Pimento square where the rhythm plays. Shadows dance in smoky haze. Pimento square, it's a dream we share. A heartbeat, a rhythm, hanging in the air. Lanterns swing like they've seen it all. Footsteps echo on the crumbling wall. Laughter spills like a tambourine shake. Memories weave with the dawn to wake. Gather round the plaza light. Feel the rhythm take the night. Oh, gather we gather. Plaza heart beats forever. Smoke curls rise like a whispered tale. Drums like thunder in the valley's veil. Street vendors call out spices and dreams. This is the place where life redeems. Gather round the plaza light. Feel the rhythm take the night. Oh, gather we gather. Plaza heart beats forever. Stars above us blink and grin. The earth below feels our spin. Hands clap, syncopate with the beat. We lose ourselves in the pulse so sweet. Gather round the plaza light. Feel the rhythm take the night. Oh, gather we gather. Plaza heart beats forever. The sun sinks low, but my fire burns high. Under the mango trees where the truth won't lie. A whisper in the wind says the time is near. But who's gonna reach first? You are the fear. Reach first, reach fast, feel the ground shake. Reach first, hold tight, make no mistake. Reach first, don't wait, the moment's alive. Reach first, it's how we survive. A lion roars, but the sheep don't stir. The stars align, but the signs still blur. I'm chasing the light through the shadows of night. Tell me, will you reach first or give up the fight? Every breath we take is a step to the flame. Who will call the storm? Who will take the blame? Reach first, reach fast, feel the ground shake. Reach first, hold tight, make no mistake. Reach first, don't wait, the moment's alive. Reach first, it's how we survive. the mountains where the brave ones go. One step ahead or a lifetime behind. Reach first or lose what you've yet to find.
Feel the
a silent scream. Footsteps lost in a groove unseen. Down in the Sunbreak arcade, where shadows and music parade, lost and found in the rhythm we made. rise up, stand up tall. Sunrise dawning, breaking the wall. Light it up, one and all. Roots grow deep in the earth below. Branches stretch where the sun will show. Every leaf, every breeze, every sound, we belong, here we're bound. I saw the sun crack the gate. Golden finger stretches late. Night's last breath fades slow, oh so slow. Shadows running, where they go, nobody knows. Sunspoke, where light breaks free. Sunspoke, calling to me. Sunspoke, where the old roots grow. Sunspoke, where we glow. The breeze hums a tune kiss. A market alive, it's a scene you don't miss. March to the rhythm, the tide's in charge. Dancing together, the world feels large. Tide market march, we sway, we sway. Feel the heartbeat, hear it sing. Spices in sacks, colors that blaze. Stories exchanged in the smoky haze. A fisherman laughs, his net's in tow. The sea's got secrets only he'll know. The waves crash down like a tambourine. The breeze whispers soft, a reggae scene. Echoes of the past in every beat. Roots in the sand beneath your feet. March to the rhythm, the tide's in charge. Dancing together,